Hey, what's going on, everybody? I hope you're having a great Teeter Hangups day. And today I want to talk about locking your Teeter Hangups in place. And it's really easy to do. First of all, when you get your Teeter Hangups, you'll have your book and manual to set your settings for the correct height. So you want to make sure to have that. That's really important because then it won't really lock in place. You can't balance properly. But when you come all the way down, and you get to a point where you're almost like hanging, it's going to almost want to then push a little further, and you let go, and it's locked in place. And then you could just hang, and you could turn from side to side. You can arch your back. You could, pretty much do whatever you want. You can, that's getting it locked out of place. So I'll show you how to unlock. So that's how you lock in place. So these are the kind of things. You could twist and turn. You can arch your back. And you could just simply hang like this, like a bat. The next way is to get out. How do you unlock? And I remember the first time I had to unlock and was didn't know what I was doing. I was scared and thought I was going to be able to get out, but it's really easy. So one of two ways, which actually if you have, you can't see it in the video here, but they have these bars, and if you push on those bars, it will unlock you. The other way is you grab the back of the bed here. So you grab the back of the bed and you grab this back bar here. You see my hand touching, and you just basically pull forward. And just like that, it unlocks. And then you could just come up. So again, you push all the way back, you lock in place. When you're done, you grab the bed and the bar, and you come out. So let me know if you have any questions. I recently had to really use it again because I got a bad back muscle spasm. And the Teeter inversion table is awesome. Love Teeter Hangups. Highly recommend it. Well built and definitely the way to go. All right, everybody. Have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.